Hi guys, another quick video, and this is on the Ecotech MP40. Got a bit of trouble at the minute, it's making a lot of noise. And it's loud. Don't know if you can hear it. So I've contacted Ecotech, and they've basically told me, because it's under guarantee, to send it in to them and get it repaired, you know. Send it in and get it sorted out, because you spend a lot of money on these pumps, and the noise it makes. It's meant to be quiet drive. It's insane, like the noise it makes. Let's see if I can ramp it up a bit. So if you give me a minute, I'll try to find a setting where it just goes mental. Don't know if you can hear that. But that is so loud. Driving me mad. I've got two of these, and the other one is silent as anything. And this one, I've only been using them for about 4 or 5 months, maybe 4 months. And the thing is just making some crap noise. Not quiet at all. So as I say, it's under guarantee still. So Ecotech have said send it in, so I'm going to send it in tomorrow, which is Monday. And hopefully the issue gets sorted, because I can't have that noise all the time. So make sure you register your products, and if you do have a problem, you spend a lot of money on this stuff, contact them and get it sorted out. Alright, thanks for watching, catch you another time.